Hello student, welcome to 7th standard social class. Our constitution civics lesson. Now just take a recap. Last class we learned about meaning and importance of constitution, drafting committee of the constitution, preamble of the constitution. In today's session we should learn about silent features of the constitution. Our constitution has its own unique features. Written constitution, second one republic, third one fundamental rights and duties, fourth one secularism, fifth one independent judiciary, sixth one universal adult franchise, seventh one election system. Now you learn about written constitution. The Indian constitution is in the written form. This is the lengthiest constitution in the world. The structure, power and extent of power of three organs of the government such as legislature, executive and judiciary are explained. There is a single constitution both for central and state governments. The size of the constitution is big. Second feature, republic. The constitution has declared India as a republic. In case of republican system, there is no role of the king. Instead, there is the role of elected representative by the people. India, which has this kind of political system, is known as the democratic republic. Third features fundamental rights and duties. The Constitution guarantees six fundamental duties to citizens at present. The state can never pass any law that curbs these fundamental rights. In case of violation of fundamental rights, the judiciary has the power to rectify it. The citizens cannot exercise their rights as per their whims and fancies. The 11 fundamental duties are there in the Constitution. Now, fourth physical features, it is the secularism. The Constitution upholds the principle of secularism. The governments are accepted to make no discrimination on the basis of religion and are expected to treat all religions equally. The government considers no religion as its religion. Every citizen is at freedom to practice religion of his choice and faith. The government has the authority to control the freedom to practice one's religion in the interest of the public. Fifth one, future independent judiciary. The judiciary is independent of executive and legislature and has adequate powers. Neither the government nor the parliament can interfere with the functioning of the judiciary. All are equal before the court of law and all have right to justice is the principle of the judiciary. The decision of the Supreme Court is final and all are expected to adhere to it. Now, sixth feature, universal adult franchise. The system of electing representative through voting of adult members 18 years and above is called universal adult franchise. All citizens are eligible for voting without any discrimination. Then a good government comes to power. The constitution wishes to establish the welfare of state. Now, seventh one, election system. India is the largest democracy in the world. In the past 6 decades, periodic elections have been conducted. The system of democracy has been quietly deep rooted in our country. It is still a satisfactory system in spite of certain demerits. I hope do you all have understood the lesson. Now just take a recap. Now homework time. Thank you students. See you in next video.